To our top story tonight at 6, Cherry Blossom Festival organizers say they're taking preventative measures all because of the coronavirus.
41 NBC's Tanya Marzitsky has more on how they are responding to the health threat and shares what one lawyer is advising event coordinators do so they aren't blamed for people getting sick.
As the number of people diagnosed with the coronavirus rises, emergency management officials in some communities have decided to cancel big events. And here in Middle Georgia, it doesn't get any bigger than the Cherry Blossom Festival. And that's why festival organizers are paying close attention to the outbreak.
This is no different. It's just something that's escalated in the past few months.
The Cherry Blossom Festival is a staple of Macon. In the midst of the coronavirus, organizers say they're planning to do what they can to keep everyone safe from the outbreak.
I've ordered double the hand washing stations that we had last year on site, as well as some very large signage reminding people that if they have dirty hands to please wash them before they eat food or just in general. And then we have some antibacterial soaps that we will be placing on all of the tables.
Festival President Stacy Moore says nothing is canceled or rearranged.
There may be some, minor travel restrictions regarding some of our Japanese delegation.
Moore says she's taking all necessary preventative measures and is talking to the festival's insurance provider. Attorney Kathy MacArthur says that's exactly what event coordinators need to do during a time like this. Otherwise, events may be held legally liable if visitors can prove they contracted the virus at their event.
Having a festival like that, I don't think there's going to be liability for having the festival unless it gets a lot worse than it is and it's just predictable. It's got to be foreseeable in order for there to be liability.
MacArthur recommends event coordinators to talk to their insurance providers and get everything in writing in case the coronavirus forces cancellations.
This is my understanding of what is included as far as the coronavirus specifically in the event that claims are made. X, Y, and Z will be covered by my insurance.
Which is why Moore says public safety is their #1 priority.
So we want to make sure that we give every one of our guests the opportunity to prevent getting sick at one of our events.
MacArthur says an obvious liability case, maybe if an employer sends you to a high-risk area for coronavirus and you come back with it, then you'd have a potential for workers' comp. But for events like the Cherry Blossom Festival, she says organizers will need obvious signage and other preventable measures. Tucker?
Thank you, Tanya. And Moore says they'll keep monitoring the situation and give updates if anything changes.
And they're encouraging everyone to get updates from the Cherry Blossom social media pages and its app. And we will also keep you up to date here at 41 NBC if there are any changes.